We've developed this system, like again, we said to help children, teens, and even adults strengthen their minds the same way athletes train their bodies, which is, I am obsessed with that concept. I live for that. That is what mindset mastery for me is all about. What exactly is the mindful toughness framework and how do you teach it? I'm looking for, I know you included self-hypnosis, relaxation, breathing, visualization, positive self-talk, and the feedback loop. Get into what's inside of this framework.
Well, it's very simple to, I picture in my mind from the very beginning, there was a study years ago, I learned it in college, and
Mm,
it's about Roger Sperry and his split brain procedure. I don't know if you learned about that in school, but it
yeah.
was a big thing.
No.
It was called physiological psychology to get my
Mm,
bachelor's degree in nursing. And it was a 3 credit course, and it wasn't a lab course, and I just needed some more science because my degree is in science. I took this class, and we were going into the midterm, right? And the professor said, anyone who gets above a 90 will be exempt from the final, right? So I took that to heart. But this textbook was so challenging to read. It was about the
yeah.
sodium and potassium going in and out of the cells because it's a physiology, right?
Hmm.
So I studied that book. I read the whole thing like over and over for this exam. So I
It's a
walked into the
90.
exam, and everybody who was leaving for the previous class, they were saying how hard it was. This is a really hard test. So that's very negative to be thinking about that when you enter the classroom, right?
Mm,
This is very important, this brain procedure. And I was right because it was on the exam.
yeah.
I was one of 2 people who got over, I think I got 93 on the test, and I didn't
Oh,
have to take
wow.
the final.
Take the mind.